Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Have you ever felt regret when the anthurium pots you carefully cared for over a long time gradually lost their flowers and the leaves were no longer as glossy green as before when you brought them home? Many people think the plant is no longer beautiful, but in reality, the problem lies in improper care. In this video, I will share with you a simple way to care for anthuriums using only ingredients available in the kitchen. You can completely help the plant recover, regain green leaves, and bloom more evenly. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let's get started right away. Do you have yellow lemons at home? Yellow lemons are not only a familiar ingredient in the kitchen, but they also contain many natural nutrients beneficial for plants. First, use a small knife to peel the lemon zest. Lemon peel contains natural essential oils and compounds with antibacterial properties, helping to limit fungi and harmful bacteria for the plant. In addition, these nutrients also help improve the environment around the roots, allowing the plant to develop more stably. Peeling the zest helps release essential oils and active compounds, allowing them to dissolve more easily into water, thereby increasing effectiveness when used and helping the plant absorb better. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Don't throw away the lemon flesh yet. We will use it in the next step. After obtaining the lemon peel, slice it into small pieces as shown in the video. Cutting it into small pieces increases the contact surface area between the peel and water, allowing the essential oils and nutrients inside to be released faster and more evenly. As a result, the solution becomes richer in active compounds, enhancing antibacterial ability, cleaning support, and plant protection when used. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Next, prepare a clean glass cup. Put all the lemon peel into the clean glass cup. The next ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains nitrogen, potassium, and some beneficial trace minerals, which help support growth, stimulate root development, and make leaves greener and healthier. Add 3 teaspoons of coffee into the cup with the lemon peel. Then pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to extract nutrients and essential oils from both the lemon peel and coffee. Use a spoon to stir well, so all ingredients blend completely together. Stirring helps the essential oils from the lemon peel and nutrients in the coffee disperse evenly in the water, preventing sedimentation. As a result, the solution becomes more uniform, helping plants absorb better when used. Finally, cover and let the solution steep for 1 hour. While waiting, I will cut the lemon fruit prepared earlier into 2 halves. Prepare a cup of clean water, as shown in the video, then squeeze the lemon juice into it and use a strainer to remove the seeds. Filtering the seeds makes the solution cleaner, prevents residue from affecting the plant, and helps the nutrients in the lemon juice dissolve and work more effectively when used. Use a spoon to stir well, so the lemon juice blends completely into the water. This helps natural acids and nutrients distribute evenly, forming a stable solution that is easier for plants to absorb. Use a soft cotton pad, dip it into the lemon juice solution, and gently wipe each leaf of the plant. Using lemon juice helps clean dust, remove residue, and build up accumulated over time on the leaf surface. At the same time, natural acids in lemon help with antibacterial action, inhibit fungi, and limit the development of harmful agents. Not only that, regularly wiping leaves helps the leaf surface become more ventilated, reducing clogged stomata, thereby improving photosynthesis efficiency. When photosynthesis improves, the plant absorbs light better, making leaves darker green, shinier, and more evenly developed. In addition, the thin layer of solution also helps clean the surrounding environment of the leaves, reducing the risk of pests and diseases, while supporting the plant in maintaining stable growth. After about 1 hour, when the solution has completely cooled, strain it to remove the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. Filtering removes excess particles, preventing root blockage or residue sticking to leaves during use. At the same time, the clear liquid penetrates more easily, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively and safely. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Next, add about 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution, reducing concentration and making it more suitable for the plant, avoiding shock or root damage. Now you have completed a natural care solution for anthurium. Let's apply it to the plant. Method 1. Pour the lemon peel and coffee solution into a watering can, then gently water directly at the base of the anthurium. Using this solution provides natural nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, and essential trace elements, supporting more stable plant growth. At the same time, compounds in lemon peel help with antibacterial action, inhibit fungi, and clean the environment around the roots. As a result, the root system is better protected, improving water and nutrient absorption, helping leaves stay glossy green, the plant healthy, and stimulating more, even and longer lasting flowering. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 2. Next, pour the diluted yellow lemon solution into a spray bottle. Then gently mist evenly over the entire anthurium plant, including leaves, stems, and the area around the base. This spraying method allows natural acids and nutrients in lemon to be easily absorbed through the leaf surface, helping clean, disinfect, and inhibit harmful fungi. As a result, the plant is better protected, improves nutrient absorption, and keeps leaves glossy, clean, and healthier. You can apply this method about 1 to 2 times per month to maintain plant health, helping anthuriums grow steadily and produce more beautiful, long-lasting flowers. In addition to anthurium, I also use this solution to spray peace lily. The lemon solution helps clean dust from the leaf surface, remove buildup, and support antibacterial action while inhibiting harmful fungi. At the same time, natural acids help leaves become more ventilated, improve light absorption, and enhance photosynthesis efficiency. As a result, peace lily leaves become glossier, healthier, and maintain stable vitality during growth. Result: after 2 months of application, anthurium leaves become darker green, thicker, and noticeably glossier. New leaves grow strong and healthy, improving photosynthesis efficiency. The root system also recovers quickly, with many new white, healthy roots appearing, green root tips, and firm attachment to the growing medium. This allows the plant to absorb water and nutrients more steadily, creating a strong foundation for long-term growth. In addition, the plant grows more balanced, stems become sturdier, and flower buds form evenly. The number of buds increases significantly. Buds are larger and stronger. When blooming, flowers have bright colors, are long-lasting, and maintain their beauty over time, keeping the anthurium pot vibrant for a long period. What do you think about this lemon-based anthurium care method? Have you tried applying it yet? Share your experience in the comments. This is a result worthy of patience and proper care. When nurtured correctly, the plant will grow sustainably and maintain its long-lasting beauty. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple but effective plant care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.